This is the speaking test of International English Language Testing System taking place on Tuesday, 11th February 2025 at English Base Camp. The center number is EGSBC007 and the candidate is Mujahidul Islam and the candidate number is 230001 and the examiner is Mohammad Ashikuzzaman. Examiner number is 4333816. Good morning, my name is Mohammad Ashikuzzaman. Can you please tell me your full name?
Yeah, my name is Mohammad Mujahidul Islam, but you can call me Mujahid, as most of my friends usually call me Mujahid.
Can I see your identification, please?
Yeah, here it is.
Thank you. Here you go.
Thank you.
Well, in this first part of the interview, I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself. Where are you from?
I'm from Tangal.
Do you work or study?
I usually study. I've actually completed my bachelor's in marketing major subject, and now I've been taking preparation of IELTS to pursue higher education to any advanced countries.
So, what's your favorite book?
To tell you truth, my favorite book is I usually like theology related books, especially study of God, these types of things.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yeah, I definitely enjoy reading. Most of the time, I usually love reading, spending my leisure time reading beneficial books. As
How often do you read?
I read. I partially can't read now most of the time because all of my time is spent doing some work because of my family related
So,
work.
do you prefer e-books or printed books?
I usually prefer printed books because in e-books I find it so distracting most of the time. Most of the time I'm distracted by different notification coming in my mobile phone.
Thank you
Different
very much.
sources.
That's the end of your speaking test.